Go doing a quick little video for y'all. It's a water penetration test, 300 blackout, going through the Tiger Rock upper. What I'm doing is seeing how many jugs, doing just head to head, the Winchester Deer Season XP and then the Remington UMC. Gonna see how, that's a big bumblebee, see how many jugs it goes through and see what it does, which one actually penetrates better. So here we go. That is it. That is all. Here we go. Going the Winchester XP first. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go for round number 2. This is UMC from Remington. Alright. We're in a blackout Winchester XP deer season. Went through the first one. And we have shards of copper and lead on the second one. And we have a hole in and out on the third one. Still got lead in there. On the third one. And we have nothing on the final, and we have nothing in there. So it went through 3. Actually went in and out on the third one. So that's kind of odd. Nothing else. So I mean, it pretty much broke. I mean, it's gone, is what it is. So there we go. 3 jugs in and out on. All right, here we go. Remington UMC. We have 1 jug down for the count. Got the third jug, blasting in, blasting out, going in. We have nothing. Second jug. Here we go, third. Ha! We actually have the bullet caught in the plastic. Started to exit the third one. And, well, so what do you call that one? It penetrated the fourth one. 4 jugs. So there we go. I'm pissing myself. And there you are. All right, that is the XP on the, yeah, that's XP on the right. Broke up in 3 pieces going out. It penetrated 3 jugs. Actually went out the third jug. Had a blowhole in it. And that is the UMC. Stayed together and got stuck in the third jug, but still penetrated the 4th jug. And there you are.